Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Dalian University of Technology's CSC scholarship. So type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here is the website cscguideofficial.com and applying procedure, required documents, all these things you can get here. So let's start. Click on that link. Here is Dalian University of Technology. If you not find any detail here, then click on that category. Here is the category CSC scholarship admissions, you can see. So click on that option, Dalian University of Technology. So here is the detail. So detail about scholarship authority is Chinese government scholarship, Dalian University of Technology, DUT, university name and student category. This scholarship is for master and PhD candidates, and scholarship type is fully funded scholarship. Monthly allowance you can see 33,000 RMB for masters and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies, just online apply. November 1 2022, end of the March, so admissions are started. So all eligibility criteria for students, you can see all international students can apply. Age limits for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. You can apply with English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory, so you can apply without IELTS. How to apply for this scholarship? The first one, first you fill CSC online application form. You need to click here. Click here for online CSC online application form. How to fill CSC online application form? Here is the video. Okay. After filling CSC online application form, download your online application form, and you need to fill DUT university online application form. Here is the university portal and how to fill this form. Here is the video. So, and you need to send your documents to this email address in zip file before the deadline, and deadline is end of March. There is no exact date, but end of March is the deadline. So you need to apply as soon as possible. If you already prepare your documents, then you should apply. So you need to send your documents to this email address and in zip form. So, okay, and please name the email subject. The email subject should be DUT application number. Means after filling on university online application form, and download this application form too, university online application form. When you download this application form, a application number, DUT application number is mentioned on your form and on your portal as well. So copy this application number and put your subject email. So DUT application number plus your passport last name plus passport name. Example of last name and passport name, first name, okay, surname. Here's the example. So application number plus your last name, passport last name, and your first name, your surname. Okay, no need to send hard copies, just online apply. DUT CSC scholarship result will be announced at the end of July. Required documents. Here is the required documents. You need to send CSC online application form, and you need to send university online application form as well. Your highest degree certificate and your transcript of highest education, a study or research plan, no less than 800 words, 2 recommendation letter, passport copy, physical examination form with blood test reports as well. Okay, and English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. 6 passport size pictures. I think you not need to send hard copies, so that's why you just send your photos, one-off photos with 3 centimeter by 4 centimeter with white background to this email address. Okay, with all other documents. I'll show you the checklist as well. So acceptance letter, it's mandatory, so you can't apply without acceptance letter, because this university in this university acceptance letter is mandatory. Okay, known criminal certificate record as well, and checklist. So here is the checklist. I'll show you that which checklist is for master and which is for PhD students. So here's the list for master candidates, and this one is for PhD candidates. So after when you try to download, then put the captcha. So captcha of this, refresh this form. It's take too much time maybe. So here is 5041, and click on that. A file will be downloaded. So I think captcha is wrong, so maybe the reason it's not downloaded. So Here is I don't know verification code. They said you put your verification code wrong, so that's why. So I wanna again 5 to 8. So press enter. After that, so press enter. Maybe it's downloaded. So sometimes it creates problems. So maybe so start download. After that, you can see here's the attachment. Check name list. These are the you need to send this list list as well with other documents to the desired email address. Passport you need to fill your information, and CSC online application form, yes, you attached. Check this one and this one too. Diploma, bachelor degree with transcript and with graduation certificate, bachelor transcript, recommendation letter, first recommendation letter, check second recommendation. You need to attach your documents in this pattern and in this with this numbering as well. So physical examination form attached, and blood test report. So blood test report necessary, like HIV, syphilis, VDRL, and these tests. Study plan, I'll show you this sample of this blood test report. No need to worry. So study plan not less than 800 but acceptance letter is mandatory. Your application will not be processed if you not have any acceptance letter. So HSK certificate, IELTS, TOEFL, work experience if you are graduated 1 year. So it's very important. If you are graduated from previous 2 years, means you are graduated in 2019 or 2020, then you must need to provide experience certificate, that what are you doing in this duration. So you need to provide experience certificate if you have a study gap of more than 1 year. So it's necessary, because my application was rejected not but they claim that you are graduated in 2016, and please provide us the proof that what are you doing during this duration after graduation. So I need to provide then I was provided the experience certificate of that duration, which I accepted. So you need to provide you need to provide experience letter. Other application documents like articles, if you have other, check this, otherwise leave it. No criminal certificate record is necessary, check that option. One picture, so you can see here's the one picture, so you need to attach one picture. And passport photocopy, your signature, your date, invalid without signature, you need to put signature here. So these are the documents. And for PID, so here is again for PID, I think a form, Leonin government scholarship application form should required for that for those for PID candidates. So I try to download again, because it's maybe the link problem, so that's why it's not opening. So I think a little bit problem here due to internet condition or some other. So the same form for master PID, but the additional thing is that you need to fill Leonin government application form. This is for PID candidates only, because Leonin government scholarship is only for PID candidates. You need to download this form as well, okay, and fill this form and attach with other documents. Maybe it's creating problem with my browser, so you need to upload this you need to download according to your situation, according to your computer education. If you not download this form, then here is the CSC scholarship official advertisement. Click here, and you can see here is the detail about Chinese government scholarship here, advertisement, latest advertisement regarding this. And you can see acceptance letter format, physical examination form, and here is the master degree, DUT master and PID programs list. And here is the master DUT supervisor list for both master and PID candidates. Okay, so I try to open this master DUT supervisor list. Here is the DUT supervisor list. So you need to send emails to these professors which are provided in this list. So I try to open this file. You can see, okay, here is the school, and here is all the professors which if you got acceptance letter acceptance letter from other professors, so you need to get acceptance letter from these professors which is provided in this list. So here is the picture, PID and master supervisor both included in this list. Here is the faculty email supervisor portfolio link here. So you need to open this link and get your professors detail or a professor research direction and etc if you want to get. So here you can see CSC online application form instruction. If you want to show this file, so here is the checklist. I try to download the checklist for PhD candidates, so I'll show you that which extra thing you should need for PhD candidates. So you can see here the LSC form. LSC form means learning scholarship. So this is for learning government scholarship. Okay, learning scholarship council or etc you can pronounce as well. Okay, so I hope so you can get the result. And no, I'll show you that you can type blood test report, means blood. So when you type blood here, blood test report, here is the blood test report sample. You need to if you want to if you don't have any idea that how we make this and which tests are required for blood test report, you can print this section, print this page and go to your nearest hospital, DHQ or THQ, and ask them, please, I need this these blood test reports. So these are the tests which are required for CSC scholarship in DUT. So these tests are okay, and your name, your information here. If you don't have a passport yet, then you must have passport. Okay, here it is not mentioned, not necessary here to mention here, but it's necessary. And at the end doctor stamp or hospital stamp and doctor signature must provided here. Okay, hope so you get everything which you need to get. So if still you have any question, then you can ask freely in the comment box. Good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.